Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's a new channel. I think I'm gonna call it. My mom said I should call my channel the Great Addi. So that's what I'm gonna call it. Right now I don't have my glasses. I'm about to go, but you hear all this noise, and this is not my house. I'm actually on Disney Dream. I'm on this Disney Dream boat right now. And I decided to record. So here I am on the porch. So, yeah. I can give you a little room tour later, but like, look at this amazing view. Oh, it's not really amazing yet, but it will be.
Just begun! Yes, me?
I've been reviewing Little Disney, and I think it's fun to see what's on the books on it. I'm ready to find exotic places filled with adventure and romance.
Aww.
Oh, together! Let's spread some pixie dust all over the island.
You had the time to make your busy dreams come true. Island time.
That's right.
Atlantic cruise line is best known for its spectacular musical shows and today.
Excuse me, is it time for my big number?
Well, as good a time as any, here's a guy who knows a thing or two about entertainment. Let's hear it for Goofy.
It's the dream of romance, don't you see? Well, where's entertainment? The lights on the lady in tights will ride with a gun on her side for the ball. What does she give them all? Wait, don't fail me now.
We're on the Disney cruise, guys. Well, bye, guys. I think. Yeah. Bye, guys.
Bye.
We are leaving port.
See you in a few days, friends.
We're waving at everybody.
Look that down there. Bye, friends. Have a good day, friends.
I wish the kids could see this too. They wanted to ditch us for the kids club. Begged and pleaded to go to the kids club. We are leaving. We didn't even know, guys, that we had sailed away until we came to our room to drop something off. We didn't even feel the ship moving or feel the ship take off or anything. So cool. Okay, we are going to find something to get into. We are kid free for a couple of hours.
Kid free, baby.
And they actually are. We have the late dining today, which means that we don't dine until 8:15. So what we may do is let the kids stay in the kids club probably until the show time, because I know I want to go see the show. And if I understand correctly, those who have the early dining, they have the late show, and those who have the late dining have the early show. So we should be able to see our theater show before our dining time. So I'm gonna go see if that is accurate, and if it is, catch the show before we eat at 8:15. And tonight we are eating at the Royal Palace. I am so excited. I've heard so many good things about all of the restaurants here aboard the Disney Dream. So I am excited to see what it's giving. How's the food tasting? We shall see tonight. We did eat at Cabanas for lunch. We did not film that because it was so, fast paced. Go, go, go. We were trying to figure out what to do first thing. So we first got on the ship. We went to Cabanas to eat, which is the buffet here. And then we went to swim. So after that, we came back to our room to shower. And then we went to our muster drill, which actually wasn't bad, to be honest. The information portion was fairly quick, but it did take a minute for everybody to get gathered and get our cards scanned to check in. But once that got finished, the information was fairly quick. I am so excited for this cruise, guys. Like, so excited. I can't even explain how excited I am. This is our first ever cruise, and our first cruise is a Disney cruise. So, what a way to do it. It looks like there's this little vessel has some cars on it, looks like.
Yeah.
Yeah, it does.
Ferry boat.
Oh, is that what it is? A ferry for cars?
Yeah.
Interesting.
And there's drivers inside
That
all
is-
those cars.
That is it. I see the drivers in. Oh, they are drivers in there. Oh, wow. I see that. That's pretty cool.
Water taxi.
That is pretty cool. I think our next cruise, I would love to go all out and hang out at Disney for a couple days, Disney World. Then get that
We're gonna need a lot of likes and subscribers.
that
for
bus. Get that bus to Port Canaveral.
We're gonna need a lot of likes and a lot of subscribers to hit that level.
Y'all gonna hit that thumbs up, comment down below.
That golf course over
But
there,
yeah.
like a beautiful
The
18
golf course. Oh yeah, I see it. This is so cool. This is so cool. Just to have this perspective, like I've seen videos of this experience, but it is nothing like being here for yourself. It is so nice. And so far the ship is amazing. Like my daughter said a little bit ago that, you know, this is only, we haven't been even on the ship for 24 hours yet, and it seems like we've done so much, but we haven't. We've just been enjoying each other's company, enjoying ourselves. We saw the sail away party. That was nice. Stayed for the little dance party afterwards. That was nice. So we are going to check this navigator app to see what we can get into. Now, what kind of ship is that? What's that over there? Is that just like a tourist spot or something?
I mean, they look like a cargo ship. I mean, they look like a cargo ship.
Comment down below if you know what this vessel is.
Yeah, it looks like a cargo ship. And those
Does it move or does it just stay there for tourists to come and visit? Because I see people on it. You guys let us know if you know.
Those not people you see. Those machines.
It looks like people are in line for something.
Those green, red.
Yeah, yellow, yeah.
Machine.
Oh, okay. Maybe it's not.
Tom Sawyer.
All right, guys.
Get ready to go
I just wanted
cruise
to
the-
show you this
not
view.
cruise, we're gonna get ready to go
Explore the ship a little
take
bit.
Some videos, some content. We really didn't get a chance to see the entryway and really just take
The
it all
atrium,
in.
yeah, because we came right in, got an elevator, and went to
Yeah, we went to
food.
go eat. We got some
We
fresh
did not
crab
explore
legs,
anything. Oh, how about the crab
lamb.
legs?
They were cold.
Yeah, because they're on ice.
Yeah, they're on ice.
They're on ice,
In my
yeah.
mind, I was expecting some hot butter.
Right out the pot, huh?
Right out the pot.
They were on ice, babe, and the shrimp.
But the lamb was exquisite. The steak was thebomb.com. I had some mushroom pasta, which was good.
I thought about grabbing that
The
too.
pizza was okay.
The pizza was pretty good to me though.
Yeah, you ain't had no
I
taste
enjoyed
buds.
it. Well, I did have the cheese, so I mean, how fancy can you get with cheese pizza? But I did have the
You can do
cheese.
5 cheeses. You can
Ah,
do 6
okay,
cheeses,
okay.
you can
High,
do double egg,
high
you can
taste
do-
palate.
Right, you can stuff the crust with cheese.
Okay, high palate.
Mozzarella, you know, put some fresh Gouda on top of it. Sprinkle a little Salt Bay on it, you know. Do a whole bunch with it. But you know, to me, it was okay. But everything else was great. Those chicken nuggets
Yeah.
were good too.
Those chicken tenders, y'all, are on a whole other level. Like, those cannot be the same tenders you get in the parks,
Definitely not the
because
same tenders.
those tenders
Parks are hit
were
and miss.
fire. Those tenders were so good, and I ate mine with no barbecue sauce, no honey mustard, no ketchup, just as is, and they were so good, so good.
The parks were hit or miss. So
I heard the fries were good, but I didn't eat those. And according to Basil, the macaroni and cheese was on point because he had 2 plates.
you know what I really
Macaroni and
wanna see?
cheese. What?
I really would love to have on here
What?
is a Disneyland corn dog.
Oh, you talk about those corn dogs all the time.
Those corn dogs haunt me in my dreams.
Yeah. Wouldn't that be nice?
Like, don't you want to fly out here to California and come get a corn dog at Disney?
Yeah. You know what we have to try too? We didn't try the food, the little cars thing food area.
Oh yeah. We didn't try a lot.
No, yeah. But look, we have 4 days to try
Yeah,
everything that we
won't
can,
be in
so.
the Bahamas until tomorrow morning around 8:30ish. So
Yeah.
we got
Our
all
plan
night.
is to meet up with a friend tomorrow. We have a few friends that live in the Bahamas, in Nassau.
242.
So our plan is to hook up with them, let them give us the lay of the land, give us a tour. I want to go where the locals go. Like, I want the locals' food, the local spots. I don't want a touristy, experience. So we shall see if that works out. That's the plan for tomorrow, though, for us to hook up with our Nassau friends and hang out with them for a couple of hours before getting back on the ship.
This phone's going
But
to
anyway,
airplane
let's
mode.
go see what we can get into.